Hi viewers, welcome to Ananda Educational Academy. I am requesting you all my viewers, please subscribe our channel and touch bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Today we are ready to discuss the topic is greenery in Telangana, which is in 6th class social subject. So Telangana state lies between 15 degrees 46 minutes and 19 degrees 47 minutes north latitude and 77 degrees 16 minutes and 81 degrees 43 minutes eastern longitude. It is situated in the Deccan Plateau in a semi-arid zone. The climate is predominantly hot and dry. Rainfall is scantily and erratic, leading to the dry, deciduous forest and scrublands. According to the National Forest Policy of India 1988, the total geographical area under tree cover should be a minimum of 33% to maintain environmental stability and ecological balance. It is very essential for the life substance of all life forms, human beings and animals. But in Telangana, the present tree cover area is only about 24% due to felling of trees, which is further resulting in low rainfall and associated with water problems. Due to constant deforestation and degradation of forest, wild animals like monkeys, bears, leopards are entering villages and are disturbing the households. Telangana state government is initiating massive plantation program Telanganaku Haritaharam to increase the forest covered to the expected 33% of geographical area. It is planned in two types. First one is initiative in notified forest areas. Second one is initiative in areas outside the notified forest areas. Massive planting Telanganaku Haritaharam program activities are taken up in the areas such as side venues, river, canal bank, barrier hills, tank bunds, schools, colleges, religious places and housing colonies, community lands, municipalities, industrial parks and farmlands. To achieve this, 230 crores seedling are proposed to be the planted in the state. More than 4,000 nurseries were established by the forest and state government departments in the Telangana state. Sapling from the nurseries are distributed freely to the whoever are participates in the Telanganaku Haritaharam program. Celebrities from all the departments participated program to make it successful. Medicinal plants like neem, tulasi, fruits and nut bearing plants like almonds, mango, sapotas, guava, custard apple, plants like jasmine, marigold, rose, galmohara and several other plants like silver oak, ravi, murri, neredu are being planted in the above mentioned areas. If we grow more plants and trees, it will be useful to the getting rainfall, improving the surface water and the ground level water. Tanks and wells will be with full of water and so better irrigation will be provided for agriculture. Birds and wild animals will have a proper shelter and will not poach onto the habitations. Planting of sapling is a passion to many of us. But the problem is with regard to the safeguarding and the protect of them plants. Normally more saplings are planted, but not many of them are grown due to our own negligence. The state government has started geotagging of these plants are to access it whether all the plants are protected or not. Guards are being supplied by the state government where there is necessary. It is our primary duty to take care of these plants. This type of greenery program by the school is being encouraged by the state government by rewarding them. The government of Telangana is initiated each one plant one program in schools. These directly and indirectly students, parents and community are also involved in this massive program. The massive program of planting 230 crores saplings is achieved only if all people of the community are participating with interest and intention. This is the information about greenery in Telangana, a lesson in 6th class social. Thank you one and all.